You use electricity every day without understanding it every morning. You wake up inside a machine built from invisible forces. Your phone lights up. Signals move through the air around you. Electric currents travel silently through walls, hidden behind concrete and steel. Entire cities pulse with energy, every second, powering screens, trains, hospitals, satellites, servers, and nearly every technology modern civilization depends on. And almost nobody stops to think about how strange that really is. Electricity feels ordinary because it became familiar. You flip a switch and light appears instantly. You charge a device and energy somehow flows invisibly into a battery. Information crosses oceans in fractions of a second through electrical systems. Humans cannot directly see or feel. The mystery disappears beneath routine. But beneath that routine lies one of the strangest discoveries in the history of science. Because electricity is not a substance humans ever directly observe. You never actually see electricity itself. You see effects, a glowing filament, a moving motor, a spark crossing air, a screen turning on. But the underlying process remains hidden from human senses. And that invisibility creates a dangerous illusion, the illusion that familiarity equals understanding. We use electricity constantly, yet most people imagine it in overly simple ways, like energy flowing through wires. The same way water moves through pipes. It feels mechanical, intuitive, easy to picture. But the deeper physics becomes deeply unsettling very quickly. What exactly is an electric field? How can one charged object influence another across empty space? Why does energy move through invisible electromagnetic systems humans cannot directly perceive? These questions fascinated Richard Feynman. Feynman was one of the most brilliant physicists of the 20th century, famous not only for his work in quantum electrodynamics, but for the unusual honesty with which he talked about science itself. He understood something many people miss. Physics can describe reality with extraordinary accuracy without making reality feel intuitive. And electricity was one of the clearest examples, because once you look beyond everyday experience, electricity stops feeling simple entirely. Wires are surrounded by invisible electromagnetic fields. Forces act across space without direct contact. Energy behaves in ways human intuition never evolved to understand naturally. The universe beneath ordinary life is far stranger than it appears. And according to Feynman, truly understanding, science begins the moment you stop pretending reality has to feel comfortable to the human mind. Electricity doesn't work the way you think. Most people imagine electricity in a very specific way. They picture tiny electrons racing through wires at incredible speed, carrying energy directly from a power source into a device. Flip a switch, electrons rush forward, and the light turns on. It feels obvious. But that picture is deeply misleading. In reality, the individual electrons inside a wire move surprisingly slowly. In many circuits, their average drift speed is only a tiny fraction of a meter per second. Some electrons move slower than a crawling insect. And yet the moment you flip a light switch, the bulb responds almost instantly. So if the electrons themselves are moving so slowly, what is actually traveling so fast? The answer is one of the strangest ideas in electromagnetism. The energy is carried primarily by the electromagnetic field surrounding the wire, not by electrons shooting rapidly through it like tiny bullets. The wire is already filled with mobile electrons before anything is turned on. When a voltage difference is applied, an electric field spreads through the circuit extremely quickly, close to the speed of light. That field causes electrons everywhere in the wire to begin drifting almost simultaneously. A useful analogy is a long pipe packed completely with water. Push water into one end, and water emerges from the other almost immediately. not because the same water molecule traveled instantly across the pipe, but because the disturbance propagates through the system rapidly. Electric circuits behave similarly. The electrons mostly jiggle and drift locally, while the electromagnetic field transfers energy through the surrounding space with extraordinary speed. This completely changes the mental picture most people have of electricity. Wires are not simple tubes transporting energy internally, like hoses carrying liquid. They are components inside a larger electromagnetic structure, a system of fields extending invisibly into the space around them. And this becomes even stranger when physicists describe where the energy actually flows. According to electromagnetic theory, much of the usable energy in a circuit travels through the field outside the conductor itself. The wire guides the energy, but the electromagnetic field surrounding it plays the central role. That sounds almost absurd at first, because human intuition was never designed to think in terms of invisible fields spreading through space. This was part of what fascinated Richard Feynman so deeply. The deeper you examine ordinary reality, the less ordinary it becomes. Even something as familiar as turning on a lamp depends on abstract electromagnetic behavior humans cannot directly perceive. Beneath the simplicity of everyday technology lies an invisible system operating according to rules far stranger than common sense suggests. And once you truly understand that electricity stops feeling like a utility, it starts feeling like hidden architecture woven into reality itself. The force that acts through empty space. One of the strangest things about electricity is that nothing actually needs to touch. A charged object can influence another object across empty space. No visible connection, no physical contact, no obvious mechanism bridging the gap. And yet the force is real. Rub a balloon against fabric and it suddenly sticks to a wall. Bring certain charged particles near each other, and they either attract or violently repel. Entire electrical systems operate because charges influence one another from a distance through electromagnetic fields. At first glance, this sounds almost supernatural, because human intuition expects forces to work through contact. Kick a ball and it rolls. Physical interaction feels local and direct. But electricity doesn't behave that way. Instead, physics describes something far stranger. Electric fields filling space itself. A charged particle changes the electromagnetic conditions around it, creating a field extending outward in all directions. Other charged particles respond to that field. What appears to be action at a distance becomes interaction through invisible structures permeating space. But this explanation raises another question immediately. What exactly is a field? And this is where Richard Feynman became especially interesting, because Feynman was deeply honest about the limits of explanation. People often asked him why magnets repel, or why charged particles interact the way they do. And he pointed out something uncomfortable. Eventually, every chain of explanation reaches a level where physics can describe behavior mathematically with incredible precision, without providing a deeper intuitive why that satisfies ordinary human instinct. Physics can tell you how electric fields behave. It can predict interactions with astonishing accuracy. It can build technologies that reshape civilization. But the deeper existential question, why should reality work this way at all, becomes much harder. And Feynman refused to fake certainty where none existed. He understood that many people secretly expect science to reduce the universe into comforting mechanical pictures that feel natural to human intuition. But electromagnetism resists that completely. Fields are not objects you can directly hold or see. They are abstract yet measurable structures governing how particles interact through space. The equations describing them work perfectly, but the underlying reality remains conceptually strange. Even empty space no longer feels truly empty. According to modern physics, Space itself contains electromagnetic properties capable of transmitting energy and influence. Light is an electromagnetic wave moving through this structure. Radio signals, Wi-Fi, X-rays, visible light, all emerge from the same deeper electromagnetic reality, which means the world around you is not made of isolated solid objects interacting mechanically. It is immersed in invisible fields, constantly shaping how matter behaves. And that realization changes how reality feels. Because beneath ordinary experience lies an unseen system of interactions humans never evolved to intuitively understand, a hidden layer of nature operating silently around you every second of your life. Feynman's real lesson about reality: most people think science removes mystery from the universe. Learn enough physics, and reality should eventually become simple, mechanical, completely understandable. But Richard Feynman believed something very different. The deeper science goes, the stranger reality becomes, and electricity reveals this perfectly. At first, electricity seems straightforward. Charges move, forces act, circuits function. But every deeper layer exposes something more abstract and counterintuitive. Invisible fields fill space. Energy travels through electromagnetic structures humans cannot see. Particles interact across distance according to mathematical laws that work flawlessly yet resist intuitive explanation. The equations become clearer. Reality becomes stranger. Feynman understood that this tension is not a flaw in physics. It is a clue about the limits of human intuition itself. Human brains evolved to survive everyday environments, throwing objects, recognizing faces, avoiding danger. Evolution never optimized human intuition for understanding quantum fields, relativity, or electromagnetism. So when physics uncovers deeper layers of reality, those layers often feel alien because they were never meant to align with ordinary instinct. And Feynman embraced that discomfort completely. He warned against pretending to understand nature in overly familiar ways just to feel comfortable. Many people secretly replace difficult concepts with simplified mental pictures that sound intuitive but distort the deeper truth. Feynman resisted that temptation. He preferred honest confusion over false certainty. That's why he famously admitted that nobody truly understands quantum mechanics in the ordinary sense, not because physics failed, but because reality itself does not always conform to human expectations about how the universe should behave. You can calculate electromagnetic interactions with astonishing precision while still feeling genuine awe about what the universe is actually doing underneath the mathematics. You can know Maxwell's equations without possessing a simple intuitive story that makes fields feel ordinary. And maybe that is the deeper shift science forces upon us. Knowledge does not always make reality feel smaller or more predictable. Sometimes it reveals that existence is far more profound than common sense ever imagined. This is what made Feynman so compelling. He combined intellectual rigor with wonder. He never treated mystery as weakness. For him, mystery was evidence that reality remained deeper than human assumptions. The universe was not obligated to feel intuitive. And once you accept that, something changes. Electricity stops being just a useful technology. It becomes evidence that beneath ordinary life lies a hidden structure of reality operating according to principles far stranger and far more beautiful than everyday experience suggests. The invisible system running civilization right now, an invisible system surrounds you completely. Electromagnetic waves are moving through the room. Signals are passing through walls, through your body, across entire continents. Power lines pulse with oscillating fields. Satellites exchange information through space. Light from screens enters your eyes as electromagnetic radiation, interpreted by your brain into images, language, and meaning. Modern civilization exists inside an ocean of invisible interactions, and most humans barely notice it. Human senses evolved for survival on the surface of reality, not for perceiving the deeper electromagnetic structure underneath it. You cannot directly see Wi-Fi signals filling your home. You cannot feel radio waves crossing cities. You do not sense the electromagnetic field surrounding every active circuit around you. Yet your entire world depends on them. Phones, computers, the internet, medical systems, transportation networks, global communication itself. Civilization runs on forces humans never evolved to intuitively understand. And this is what fascinated Richard Feynman so deeply. Electricity reveals a hidden truth about reality. The universe is not built from the simple, solid objects everyday experience suggests. Beneath ordinary perception lies a world of fields, probabilities, radiation, and invisible interactions shaping matter continuously. The modern world is essentially an enormous electromagnetic machine layered across the planet. Every message sent online, every powered device, every illuminated city skyline, all of it depends on invisible physical systems operating with extraordinary precision. And the strangest part is that humans learned to harness these forces long before fully understanding them intuitively. Physics gave us mathematical descriptions powerful enough to reshape civilization, even while reality itself remained deeply mysterious beneath the equation. That tension still exists today because electricity never truly became ordinary. Humans simply became accustomed to living inside it. And maybe that's the deeper realization hidden beneath Feynman's perspective. Science does not remove wonder from the universe. It reveals how much wonder was already there. Every glowing screen is evidence of invisible fields interacting across space. Every electrical current is part of a deeper structure woven into nature itself. Every technological system surrounding humanity depends on forces so strange that even the greatest physicists approach them with humility. So the next time you flip a switch or charge a phone, remember what is really happening. Not magic, not simple mechanics, but invisible electromagnetic architecture silently shaping modern existence every second of your life. A hidden system so powerful that it transformed civilization, and so strange that reality still feels mysterious even after we learned how to use it.